रेलवे रिक्रूटमेंट बोर्ड RRB CN 9052024 NTPC ग्रेजुएट वैकेंसी 2024 एप्लीकेशन फी For all candidates, out of this fee of ₹500, an amount of ₹400 shall be refunded duly deducting bank charges on appearing in एक cent stage CBT, ₹500. For candidates who belong to SC, Cent, ex-servicemen, female, transgender, minorities or economically backward class, EBC. Caution to candidates, EBC should not be confused with OBC or EWS. This fee of ₹250 shall be refunded duly deducting bank charges as applicable. On appearing एक cent stage CBT, ₹250. Payment mode. Through online by using internet banking or debit credit cards or UPI. Note. Only candidates who attend CBT will get a refund of their examination fee as mentioned above. Important dates. Date of publication in RRB websites 13 September 2024. Starting date for apply online payment of fee 14 September 2024. Last date for apply online 13 अक्टूबर 2024 at 23:59 HRS. Last date for payment of fee 14th October 2024 to 15th October 2024. Date for modification window for corrections in application form with payment of modification fee. Please note, details filled in create an account form and chosen RRB cannot be modified 16 अक्टूबर 2024 to 25 अक्टूबर 2024. Age limit. As on 1 January 2025. Minimum age limit 18 years. Maximum age limit 36 years. Age relaxation is applicable as per rules. Qualification. Candidates should possess any degree from recognized university or its equivalent. For junior accounts assistant cum typist, senior clerk cum typist, typing proficiency in English Hindi on computer is essential. For more details refer notification. Vacancy details. Vacancies for graduate posts 1. Chief Commercial cum Ticket Supervisor 1736. 2. Station Master 994 3. Goods Train Manager 3144. 4. Junior Account Assistant cum Typist 1507. 5. Senior Clerk cum Typist